जेन्ना प्रायमरी स्कूल गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल म्हणून ते बिल्डिंगाची आयडेंटिटी आसा ती आयडेंटिटी just because of allotment for another purpose the identity will go or identity will be changed. For example आता आम्ही आमची शाळा गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल सिरली सपोज ती शाळा अंगणवाडी सेंटर आसली इट विल बी नोन एज अंगणवाडी सेंटर्स or it will be known as handicraft centers or village gymnasium.
एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान मात्र ते प्रायमरी स्कूल बिल्डिंगूच म्हणून आसतली म्हणजे एखादी जर तूं स्कूल बिल्डिंग आमी प्रायोरिटी दिल्या विमेन एंड चायल्ड बिकॉज दॅट इज ऑल्सो फॉर हे अंगणवाडी दॅट इज ऑल्सो इनडायरेक्ट एज्युकेशनच्या दिशेन वचणारी रिक्वायरमेंट आसा त्यामुळे बरीचशा अंगणवाडीची कामां जी खंयच्या खंय आसताली ती त्या शाळांनी आयल्यामुळे भागल्या.
That since it's a primary school and the FAD is that pre-primary is required, whether there will be a provision for a pre-primary in that same school, because pre-primary is a notion that the students put in private schools and they keep their, that is one form of this where the students don't go to government school. When you put them in pre-primary, they remain with them throughout the year. Anganwadi is part of it, but then they don't call it pre-primary. So whether there is a notion of putting a pre-primary, I think in Kuchane, there is one school in the entire constituency where the pre-primary was put in, I think some 15 years back, and it's running well with number of students. The fact is, the parents keep their students there itself, otherwise they put it in somewhere else. So whether that provision can be thought of.
First of all, maintenance has to be carried out by the organization which takes it over, whether it is government organization or private organization. Education department provides you building as it is, where it is conditioned. For a certain number of years, you have to maintain it. The department will not make cost. Secondly, I can assure the house that if there is no other alternative school within 1 kilometer range, even one student, we will keep the school open. But at the same time, we have to also realize that even one teacher will cost us anywhere up to 45,000 rupees per month minimum, maybe 50,000, depending on the seniority. So if there are 2 students, it is almost like paying 22,500 rupees expenses per student. Therefore, some mechanism to take the very balanced decision is required, but no school will be closed if there is no other school within 1 kilometer. Pre-primary हो concept बरा, पण अनेक गोष्ट सांगता हांव. फाटल्या दिसांनी हांवें एक स्कीम केली जातून गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल्स वेर पेरेंटेड बाय अदर एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट इन द एरिया. थोड्यो शाळा 5वे पासून सुरू जाता तांकां फिडर हे लागता सप्लाय. अशा शाळांनी गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल मेंटरिंग केल्या म्हणजे तांचे कडेन मॅनेजमेंट टायप ताजे दिल्ले आसा आनी दे हॅव सीन टू इट दॅट क्वॉलिटी इज इम्प्रूव. That kind of scheme we intend to do for the next year, where we will take applications from educational institutes who are interested. तुझे इम्प्रेशन जाला आसतलें की खंय तरी तुवें स्टेटमेंट आयकलां आसतलो की फुडल्या वर्सा पर्यंत 450 गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलां बंद पडटलीं. अशी पडपाची स्थिती ना. गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल सगळी आमी इम्प्रूव करता. I will tell you, last 3 years the number of students in government school have steadily stabilized and is showing a sign of small increase, a very reasonable small increase. Even in the vernacular language, last 3 years, the number of students are growing. त्यामुळे आमकां गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलाय आसूंक जाय पण क्वॉलिटी ताजी इम्प्रूव जावंक जाय हाजेर आमी काळजी घेता.